Laptop temperature on Windows 11 is quite simple. You need to install a small software called HWMonitor. For that, open up the browser and type in for HWMonitor. It is a free software, so just go and click on this one, HWMonitor, consent. Now, once you're here, just go and close it down. Now go down a bit, and here you can see, just go and download this setup. Close the ad again. Once you're here, just go and download now. So the download is done. Just go and open it up. Click on yes. Click on next, next, next. Install. Click on finish. Click on OK. So just go and close it. Now you can see this icon here. Just go and double click to open it. Click on yes. And now it would take a bit of a time to start for the first time, and it would try to read all the readings for the temperature. So you can see the main temperature is around 32 degree. Here you can see in this one, and then you have more individual temperatures for your other devices too. So for example, here if you see the core temperature is around that is a core, that means your CPU temperature is around 66 degree. And if you see your disk temperature, that is here, that is around 32. That is what I earlier said. So this is how you find out the temperature. So main temperature that is of your CPU is this one, around 61, 62 or 66. So that's how you find out the temperature of your laptop. So hope this video has helped you out to check the laptop temperature on Windows 11. But before you go, please like the video.